So guys, let's start. A very good morning to everyone. Myself Rajeshwari Unde, editorial committee member of BCP CSR committee. Welcome you all to the World Health Day campaign Enviropedia. So guys, we will be waiting for few more minutes for other participants to join. Till then, let's know about each other surrounding a little. I guess we have varieties of people over here, maybe from different suburbs of Mumbai or Maharashtra or even outside Maharashtra. So I would like to know how is the weather conditions in your area from last few days, like from past few weeks maybe. I am sure we have all experienced some changes. You can add in the chat box, guys. For example, let's start with me. Here in Mumbai, I can literally see a huge change from past few days with great temperature fluctuations and surprisingly even rains in the month of December. So guys, please add your views in the chat box. We also have people from outside Maharashtra. I also want them to contribute. Sudden rains, increase in temperature accompanied by rains leading to humidity. Sudden climatic change and raining in December. Okay. Kurla experienced sudden rains and drop in temperature. Foggy today morning. Yeah. Heavy rain, sudden temperature fall, decrease in temperature and rain. Okay, we have Nashik also. Cloudy in Nashik from a week. Yeah. Decrease in temperature. What about Aurangabad? Sudden climate change and cold conditions. Navi Mumbai heavy rains. Okay, Goregaon people are also same thing. Cloudy weathers, fluctuating temperatures. Wow, great. Thank you guys for your views. Now just have a look at the variations we have got in the chat box. Come on guys. Mild cold with temperature ranging from 14 to 28 degrees Celsius in Nagpur. Goregaon cloudy climate is allowing us to go out and play some cricket. Okay, great. Temperature fluctuation, drizzling, Dahisar. Pune cloudy weathers. Oh wow, so many variations. Basically, we can see the main thing is climate change, I think. Cloudy climate, yeah. So guys, I want everyone, okay, Surat also is suffering from, I guess, yeah, experiencing heavy rains, not only Maharashtra. So guys, just have a look at the variations we have got. And I am damn sure we all know the main reasons behind this, right? Can you name some few of the reasons? Okay, Ahmedabad, nice. Same conditions all over. Global warming, yeah. Pollution is the main reason. Yes, Jatin. True. Yeah, global warming. Okay, there is a cyclone going to come. Yeah, this is all due to climate change, guys. Decreasing green cover, yeah. Can you name some few more? Deforestations, yeah, Mayank. True. Actually, even that is the main reason, cause behind it. So, okay, we have got many responses. Thank you so much. And actually, this is the main idea behind today's event. We will talk about in forthcoming slides. Now, I think we should start our main event. I believe everyone has joined in. Krishna? Yes. Aditi says careless attitude of mankind towards environment. Yes, dear, yes. So now I would like to call upon Apurva. PR committee member of BCP CSR committee to take forward this event. Handing over to you, Apurva.
Thank you, Rajeshwari. So today's event is going to be a very interesting one for all of us. Stay tuned till end with Enviropedia, time to heal our gap. Before we begin with the first round, I would like to share with you all our PM's idea about Panchamrit amidst this climate change. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that India will reach net zero emission by 2070. This was one of the five big commitments, five Amrits, he made on the nation's behalf to elevate climate change. Panchamrit, unprecedented condition of India. The 26th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Conventions on Climate Change, a treaty signed in 1994, took place from 1st to 12th of November 2021 in Glasgow, UK. On behalf of India, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in the midst of this global brainstorming on climate change, presented five nectar elements, Panchamrit, to deal with this challenge. First Amrit is India will take its non-fossil energy capacity to 500 gigawatts by 2030. The second one is India will meet 50% of its energy requirements from renewable energy by 2030. The third one is India will reduce the total projected carbon emission by 1 billion tons from now till 2030. The fourth one is by 2030, India will reduce the carbon intensity of its economy by less than 45%. By the year 2070, India will achieve the target of net zero. The five-fold strategy plays a part in the helping the world getting closer to 1.5 degrees Celsius on the first day of the global climate meet in Glasgow. Next slide. So without any delay, let's begin with our first round, that is quiz. I would like to give you a quick overview about the quiz and how it is played. Next slide. So the instructions, make sure that you have already logged in through your Google account on quiz as per instructions given in the WhatsApp group. Second one is enter the quiz through the link or code shared in the group. Quiz will begin as soon as all the participants are presented in the present in the waiting room. Select the most appropriate option. If you are done answering, go to the next page by clicking on next arrow button. Some questions have multiple answers, so in that case, you will be given check boxes. Next. Explanation will be followed by questions with respect to correct answer. So you are allotted only 45 seconds for each question. If you are not able to answer, then the question will be automatically skipped. Time taken for reading explanation will not be counted for the point. So you can go through the explanation at your own pace. Point will be given considering both accuracy and time taken for answering the question. Players with the highest point and least time taken to answer the questions will be selected for the round 2. Next slide. So these are some snaps of the screen which will appear when the quiz is started. The first one is the entry slide. The name with which you are going to enter is displayed. At bottom, we have some interesting options which include music and sound effects. This is available so that you don't get bored. If you don't like disturbances, you can simply toggle off the option. Read aloud option allows you to read out the explanation loudly. To proceed, you have to click on the start button, so you will be entered into the waiting room. The second snap displays the waiting room where you have your competitors. As soon as the quiz is started, the buzzer will buzz. The third one is basically your question answer page. And the fourth one is your explanation slide following every question. Change. In the bottom right corner of the fifth slide is your back or next option through which you can navigate. And the last one is how your scorecard will look. So I hope you all are clear with it. If you have any query, you can ask by unmuting yourself or drop down it in the chat box.
Guys, any one of you want repetition, you can tell us, we'll repeat for you. And any doubt you can ask.
I was having one doubt that what will be the total time overall quiz?
20
20
minutes.
minutes, dear.
Okay, okay.
So all clear? Should we start? If you are in the waiting room, please raise your hands by clicking on the hand raise icon. If you have any query, please drop it in the chat box because once the quiz is started, you won't be able to change the tab.
Okay, we have 2 participants in the waiting room. Want everyone to join. Code and the link is shared in the WhatsApp group, so you can check it from there.
Participants which are in the waiting room, please raise your hand so we will get an idea who are still joining.
Guys, we also have music option over there. Like if you are bored, you can toggle it on. Or if you don't like disturbances, it's okay to keep it off. Yeah, yeah.
Also, when we put a code, then only the quiz will start. Na?
Yeah, yeah. When you'll enter the code, our
Okay,
host will start the quiz for everyone together.
okay, okay.
After entering the code, you will be you will be waiting in the waiting room till our host starts the game.
It is showing start in the screen after giving the code. It is showing start. So
You can
should I?
check it. Yeah, you can do start, but when our host will start, it will be for together. Everyone will
Okay,
start
okay.
together. Yeah, the buzzer will
Oh,
start countdown.
okay, okay.
Participants who have raised their hands, I hope you are not facing any issue. All good over there.
Also, when the host will start the quiz, we have to click on the start button.
You can start it. Then when our host will start, you will see a buzzer, countdown buzzer, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. So then the main quiz will
Okay.
start. Yeah. You can click on start button and keep.
Not everyone has raised their hands. Guys, are you facing any problem? We just want to confirm if everybody is in the waiting room.
People who have not raised their hands, Shalini, Ria, Palak, Nisha, Jatin, Aryan, Alisha, Saurabh, Nisha. Are you all facing some issue? Pawan, Palak, Priyanka.
No issues.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, guys, this link is activated. The quiz is started. I hope everyone is getting the access to the quiz. I think many of you have submitted. So just post a yes in the chat box so that we can confirm the numbers.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
When the result of the quiz will be declared?
You are not able to see the scorecard.
Yes, I am. The score record is visible, but how much participant get selected in round two?
Yeah.
That,
Overall result will be tallied just
okay.
in few minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Great guys, you all have completed before time. That's nice to see. Hope you all can see at least your own scorecard.
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks for the confirmation.
Well done, everyone. So, how were the quiz? Were they easy?
Yes, it was very much easy.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes,
meanwhile, we
it
are
was easy.
evaluating the result. Yeah. So, meanwhile, we are evaluating the results. Let's have a glimpse of some activities which we have organized. Change the slide. So guys, how were the quiz? Were they helpful?
Yes, it was.
So, guys, under this World Health Day campaign on National Pollution Prevention Day, BCP CSR has organized two activities for today. Can you see the slides, right? You all can see?
Yes.
Yeah, the first one is Eco Step. We all know that little things make a big difference. So it show us how you contribute towards pollution prevention. For example, creating best out of waste or planting a tree maybe or composting, whatever. Whatever you do to contribute towards preventing pollution. So guys, mail us your entry in image or video format. I think, video time limit is 59 seconds and the deadline for the first one is today evening before 7 p.m. And the second one is a very creative event. We have got so many creative people over here. The second activity is sticker making competition. And the topic for this is pollution control. You have to create digital stickers and mail it before today 6 p.m. You can see few examples on the screen. The second one. So bring out your creativities and innovations because everything you can imagine is real. So mail ID is posted in the chat box. Don't forget to save it and participate in these events. E-certificates will be given to the winners and for the EcoStep community hours will be provided. And if you have any queries, you can contact Krishna, Head of CSR Committee and Manju Patel, Assistant Head of CSR Committee. Just few more minutes. Results are out.
Till that, can we have a glimpse of all participants? I request you all to turn on your video so that we can save this moment. Please, guys, turn on your cameras.
Guys, actually the competition is little tough, so let's wait for one more minute. You all have done really great job and really quickly actually. Yeah. Yes, yes, you can turn off your videos if you want.
Thank you so much, guys.
I hope everyone can see the results. These are our top 15 qualifiers for round 2. Just confirm your names, guys. If there is any mistake in your name, let us know. So I'll take out the names. Oh yeah, it was really tough. The scores are actually same. Yeah. Okay, these are our top 15 qualifiers. Can I get to know how to pronounce the first name? I always make a mistake though. Sasavari, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Asavari, Achyut, Ashish, Aishwarya, Anushka, Zaid, Sidra, Sakshi, Aryan, Richa, Snehadeep, Divya, Palak, Akash, and Sasha. Congratulations to all.
Guys, you can lower your hands now.
You will get the top 15 list in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have got this. Yeah. So we'll starting with round 2. Welcome everyone to round 2. So congratulations everyone who have made it to round 2. Great efforts, guys. Great efforts. You have completed this quiz really quickly. Others who have missed it, no worries, dear. You can be a part of our lovely audience and cheer for your friends who are gonna play the next round. I hope you got a chance to learn and explore some new facts from the quiz. So, wasting no more time, let's begin our round 2. Next slide. Yes, guys, it's time for the jumble games. We all know our crazy jumbled words, so we are going to play with them. I hope all the 15 participants are present. Guys, just raise your hands. All the 15 participants were qualified for round 2. One, two, three. Okay, so guys, yeah, everyone is there. So here are the instructions for round 2. 3 jumbled words related to environment will be displayed on the screen, and you have to decipher the original word and unmute and answer it within 1 minute. I repeat, the time limit is only 1 minute. Timer will be started as soon as the screen for the question is displayed. Okay, as soon as you see the jumbled words, the timer will be started, and it's for 1 minute. You can also you also have to read about the explanation given on the next slide once your turn is over. And it's mandatory to keep your videos on throughout your turn. So whoever it's done, you have to keep the videos on. I hope we all are clear with the instructions. Simple game, simple rules. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any queries, anyone?
Yeah, actually, I have one.
Yeah, sure.
Do we have to first raise our hand and then unmute or directly unmute?
No. It's an individual game. We'll call upon the participant. Now you can lower your hands. Anyone else? And I repeat, there will be 3 jumbled words. You have to decipher it and unmute and tell within the 1 minute. The timer will be assisted by Prashansa, our PHO committee member. So one player will play at a time. And time limit I have to. So guys, I hope everyone is clear. Post yes in the chat box if you are clear, so that we can start. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so first, Apurva, you can take on.
Okay, so let's start. Our very first player is Asavari. Please on your camera. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes.
As soon as the slide is displayed, you have to start to answer the jumble words, okay?
Okay.
So I request you please display the slide.
Start.
Second word, sanitization. First word, resource.
Good. Nice try.
And greenhouse.
Well done. So please display the answers. Okay. So you got all 3 correct. So well done. Please read out the explanation.
Yes. Greenhouse gases are crucial to keeping our planet at a suitable temperature for life. Without the natural greenhouse effect, the heat emitted by the Earth would simply pass outwards from the Earth's surface into space, and the Earth would have an average temperature of about minus 20 degrees Celsius. High levels of CO2 released due to human activities is trapped more of the sun heated in our atmosphere, which ultimately leads to global warming. Four main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases.
Yes, great job, Asavari. Actually, you said it was sanitization, but actually it was sanitation. So let's see what our members will do. They will score accordingly. So we'll continue further. So the next player is Achyut. Are you ready?
Yes.
I request to please display the slide.
Start.
First is fumes. Third is fertilizer.
— 15 seconds left. Stop.
Oops, time's up. Can we get to know the answers? The first one was fumes, second one was discharge, and third one was fertilizer. So you got two answers right. Just read out the explanation on this next slide. Nice try.
Yamuna, tributary of Gangas, is most polluted river of India. Ministry of Jal Shakti that handles Namani Gange program is an integrated conservation mission by the Union government in June 2014 to accomplish the twin objective of effective abatement of pollution and conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. By March 2020, only 37% projects have been completed.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Can we have our next participant, Apurva?
Yeah, so our third participant is Ashish.
Ashish Anil. Yeah.
Yes.
All set?
Yes.
Okay, so please display the slide.
Start.
Second one is decay. Third one is biodegradable. And first one is wastewater.
Should we log the answers?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it.
So the first one is wastewater, second is decay, and third is biodegradable. So yeah, you got all three right. Congrats.
Thanks.
Next slide.
Sewage treatment is a type of wastewater treatment which aims to remove the contaminants from the sewage to produce an effluent that is suitable for discharge for surrounding environment or an intended reuse application, thereby preventing water pollution from raw sewage discharge. 93% of the sewage finds its way to ponds, lakes, and rivers without treatment. Out of total 72,368 MLD sewage generated every day, only 20,235 is treated.
Thank you. Can we have next player, Aishwarya Thakur? Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can we have the slide, please?
Start.
First one is sewage. The third one is sludge.
Fifteen seconds left. Time's up.
Nice try. Let's see the answers. Okay, the second one was irrigation. Sewage, irrigation, and sludge. Yeah. Can we have the explanation slide? Yeah. Please read out.
Sewage treatment often involves two main stages called primary and secondary treatment, while advanced treatment as tertiary treatment stage with polishing process. Preliminary treatment includes screening, grit removal, flow equalization, fat and grease removal. Next is primary treatment, which includes removal of a portion of the suspended solids and organic matter from the sewage. Secondary treatment can reduce organic matter measured as biological oxygen demand from sewage using aerobic or anaerobic process. Tertiary treatment may include biological nutrient removal, disinfection, and removal of micropollutants.
Okay, thank you.
So our fourth contestant is Anushka. Are you ready? Please display the slide.
Start.
Second one is pollutant.
Sorry, please repeat again.
Second one is pollutant.
Okay.
First one is organic.
Okay.
Last one, solid waste.
What?
Solid waste.
Please repeat.
Solid waste.
Okay. Right, then we guessed all three. So let's see what are the answers. Organic, pollutant, solid waste. So you answered it right. Will you please read the explanation? Shreya, please.
National Green Tribunal has directed the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to monitor the National Clean Air Program, which proposes 20 to 30% reduction of air pollution by 2024. It seeks to cut the concentration of coarse particulate matter of diameter 10 micrometer or less than PM10 and fine particles by at least 20% in the next 5 years, with 2017 as the base year for comparison.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anushka.
Okay, we can we have next player? Zaid. Hope I have not mispronounced it.
Yes, it's Zed.
Zaid, okay, sorry. Zaid. Okay, are you ready? Can you turn on your video? Yes. Are you ready?
Ready.
Can we have the slide, please?
Start.
Last one is zone.
Fifteen seconds left. Time's up.
Let's see. Let's have the answers. First one was ecology, catastrophe, and ozone. Okay, no worries. Please read the explanation.
The overall objective of the National Afforestation Program since 2001 scheme is ecological restoration of degraded forest and to develop the forest resources with people's participation. The conservation and development of forests primarily involves three strategies: afforestation through natural and natural artificial regeneration, protection and management. 37,110 hectares of land has been approved for tree plantation in last 3 years. There had been a decline in the progress area brought under afforestation as part of the NAP from 80,583 hectares in 2013-14 to just 35,986 hectares in 2015-16. The status of forest in India report.
Our next contestant is, I guess, Sakshi.
Oh, we have Sidra.
You are audible.
The next contestant is Sidra, not Sakshi.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yes.
Please display the slide.
Start.
Last one is storm. First is cyclone. Second is hurricane.
Shall we log the answers?
Yes.
We can stop the timer. Let's have the answer slide. Yes, all right. Congratulations. Can we have the explanation slide?
Oceans soak up more than 90% of heat generated by greenhouse gases, leading to rising water temperatures. As cyclones draw their energy from warm waters, the rising temperatures are causing intense storms to become more common. Usually, there is a primary peak in November and a secondary peak in May. Cyclone Amphan is one of the worst to hit the region since 2007 and the first superstorm since the 1999 Odisha cyclone. Mumbai's first June cyclone in 129 years, Cyclone Nisarga, formed over the Arabian Sea at the beginning of June.
Yes, I hope we all remember Nisarga last year. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Moving ahead, who's the next one? Yeah, the next participant is Sakshi Vispute. Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Can we have the slide?
Start.
Second is environment, third is forest, and first is
Fifteen seconds remaining. Time's up.
Can we have the answer slide? First one was wildfires. Great job, you got 2 answers right. Let's go ahead with the explanation.
forest fires that began in Uttarakhand on October 15, 2020 were still burning on April 5, 2021, according to the State Forest Department, in what is being seen as another manifestation of climate change. There were 470 incidents of fire in Uttarakhand's forest between November 2020 and January 2021. The figure for the same period in the previous year was 39. The risk of wildfires increases in extremely dry conditions such as drought and during high winds. Wildfires can disrupt transportation, communications, power and gas services and water supply.
Thank you so much, dear. Let's moving ahead.
So our next contestant is Aryan, but I guess he's not available. So we'll go ahead with Richa. Richa, please turn on your video.
Hi, am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are audible and visible. Are you ready?
Hopefully.
Okay. So please display the slide.
Start.
I can't see the slide. I'm still on the explanation page.
Is it visible now?
No, I'm still on the explanation page.
Yeah, can we have the explanation page back?
Yeah, now I can see.
I guess she's some internet issue. Please display that slide again.
Yeah.
The first one was climate. If I'm like the glimpse that I got from.
Okay.
I'm still on the explanation page. I've not got the jumbled words page.
Okay, no worries. We'll get back to that page.
I'm still on the explanation page.
Richa, we can see the page. I think you should rejoin.
Okay, sure, I'll join. Or else, can I, I may be having a network issue. Can I switch off my camera? If that's allowed. Or else I'll rejoin it.
Yeah, please do rejoin.
Still on the explanation page.
Yeah, we are on explanation.
Okay.
Just a second, just a second. Since you have got the glimpse of the slide, so we'll give you only 45 seconds. Is it okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
I just got a glimpse of it.
Shreya, can you please slideshow the explanation slide? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please display the slide.
Start.
So first one is climate. The last one is warming. The second one is frozen. Frozen.
Stop the time. You can stop the.
Well done. लगता है जंबलबंज बहुत ही easy है. Everyone is guessing in just 15 seconds. So let's go to the next slide. So first one is climate. Second one is frozen and okay, I'm reading out it. First one is climate. Second one is frozen and third one is warming. So you got all three right.
Thank you. For the explanation part, can I switch off my camera? Maybe I'll be able to see the slide.
Yeah,
Sure. Thank you.
Have the explanation.
I'm still on the answer slide. I can see the explanation slide. As well as being a symptom of climate change, the loss of ice is also a driver of it. Bright white sea ice plays an important role in reflecting heat from the sun back out into space, a bit like a reflective jacket, but the Arctic is heating twice as quickly as the rest of the world. And as less ice makes it through the warm summer months, we lose its reflective protection. In its place, large areas of open dark water absorb more heat, fueling global warming further. Between 1979-2018, the proportion of Arctic sea ice that is at least 5 years old declined from 30% to 2%.
Can we have a next participant? Nehadeep Vyavhare.
Can you see me?
No, it's blank.
Wait, just give it a second.
That's
Can you see me now?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can we have the slide, please?
First one is recycle. Second one is methane, and the third is emissions. The third one is emissions.
Should we lock it?
Yeah.
Please stop the timer. You were too quick. Yeah, can we have the answer slide? Yeah, you got it all correct. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Can we have the explanation slide?
The ground that remains frozen year-round for 2 or more years is warming rapidly. Permafrost contains a huge amount of greenhouse gases, including CO2 and methane, which are released into the atmosphere. As much of the carbon is stored in the form of methane, a potent greenhouse gas with a global warming impact 84 times higher than CO2. Permafrost is doing us a big favor by keeping the carbon locked away from the atmosphere.
Have you heard of permafrost before? Anyone?
Yeah, I've heard.
Great. Let's move ahead.
So our next player is Divya. Divya, please turn on your camera. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shreya, please display the jumble word slide.
Second is plant. First is groundwater.
Okay.
Third is diversity.
Okay. So should we lock all the three answers?
Mm,
Or do you have to change
yes,
something?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. The first is groundwater, second is plant, and third is diversity. So you all got all three right. Congratulations. Please read the explanations.
The World Economic Forum launched a campaign this year to plant 1 trillion trees to absorb carbon. While planting trees might help cancel out the last 10 years of CO2 emissions, it cannot solve the climate crisis on its own. Allowing forests to regrow naturally and rewilding huge areas of land, a process known as natural regeneration, is the most cost effective and productive way to capture CO2 and boost overall biodiversity.
Thank you so much. Now we have Palak Sharma. Yes. Are you ready, Palak?
Yes.
Okay. Can we have the slide?
Start.
Which? 15 seconds left.
No, 20 seconds are left. Now 15 seconds.
Okay.
Done. Stop.
No worries. These are the answers. First one was power plant, second was industry, and third was thermal. So can you please read out the explanation?
Out of all the gases released from a thermal power plant, carbon dioxide is the main one, and the thermal power plants are the one of the main contributors to the increased carbon dioxide levels throughout the world. Other pollutants released are sulfur dioxide, ash, nitrogen oxides, etc., which can cause respiratory problems.
Okay, thank you, dear.
So our next player is Akash. Akash, please turn on your camera.
I think Akash is not there in meeting. Just a second, let me check. Yeah, he's not there. So we'll continue with Sasha. Yeah, Sasha is there. Apurva, you can go ahead.
Please turn on your camera. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shreya, please display the puzzle word slide.
Start.
Second is compost. Hello. First
Yeah,
is
we can hear
dumping.
Last 15 seconds.
Carpool. Third is carpool.
Done.
So first one is dumping, second one is compost, and third one is carpool. So you got all three right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please display the explanation slide.
I can't see the. Okay, carpools not only saves money, reduces your carbon footprint, but also helps reduce the costs we all pay towards the construction of new roads, road maintenance, and air pollution related health costs. Having fewer cars on the road means reduced greenhouse gases emissions and improved air quality.
Thank you so much, dear. I want to confirm, do we have Akash Narayankar? Are you there? I don't think so. Okay, then this is the end of round 2. Yeah, Purva, you can continue.
I was just saying his number.
Yeah. Apurva, you can go ahead.
Sir, last contestant. The round 2 is over, right?
Yeah. We don't have the last contestant over here.
So thank you so much, everyone. Our results will be displayed in 5 to 10 minutes. Till that,
Till then, let's take a break, guys. Have some energy boosters and come back. We'll be starting with round 3. Qualifiers. We'll get the qualifiers within 5 minutes. So stay tuned. Please don't leave the meet.
1 minute. We already have the winners. There is no calculation needed. So I think we can continue.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Great. Okay. A second. Okay, guys. We have got our winners, qualifiers for round 3. But firstly, I would really like to appreciate the great efforts by each one of you. So huge applause for all of you. Great job. And yeah, here are the qualifiers for round 3. Ashish Anil, Anushka Gujar, Sidra Khoth, Richa Singh, Snehadeep Vyavare, Divya Jaiswal, and Sasha Vinu. I'll repeat it once. Ashish Anil, Anushka Gujar, Sidra Khoth, Richa Singh, Snehadeep Vyavare, Divya Jaiswal, and Sasha Vinu. Hope I have not mispronounced any name. If so, I'm really sorry. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, everyone, actually. Yeah, we have the list in your WhatsApp groups also. Well done. So let's gear up for the round 3. Can we have the slides, please? I want everyone to give a huge applause for all the participants. They really took great efforts. Yeah. Lovely audience. Okay. So good luck for round 3. Yeah, next slide. So it's time for bingo. Actually, really favorite game. Let's see the instruction for this round. Can we go ahead? Yeah. Firstly, you have to draw the bingo of 3 by 4 in your notebook or sheets. The layout will be shown by us in forthcoming slides. You will be allotted 2 minutes 30 seconds only to complete the bingo on the topic which we will be displaying. So you basically have to write relatable sentences or phrases on the topics and fill in all the boxes. I think we have 8 boxes. No, we have 12 boxes, I guess. Okay, I have to check. Yeah, we'll see it ahead. Yeah, 12 boxes. Yeah, thank you. So basically you have to take a snap and post it in the WhatsApp group. Entries which will be submitted within the time limit will only be accepted. So please take care of that. You complete it within 2 minutes and then spend 30 seconds to post it, take a snap. And yes, you have to keep your videos on throughout your turn, right from the starting, from where you will start making the layout till the end. So we'll be showing the layout in the next screen. Can we have the next slide? Yeah, this is the layout. You can grab your papers, pens, and start drawing in your notebooks. If anyone is having query, please ask. Topic will display after you all are completed after drawing this layout. If all are ready, please raise your hands. Like when you have completed drawing all the boxes or the layout, just raise your hand so we can get a confirmation. I'll repeat the instructions for you all. This is the layout for the bingo. You have to draw in your notebooks or a sheet of paper. And I'll be showing you an example on a random topic. So you need not to worry about how to write it. Make sure you write phrases or sentences and not words. And yeah, the time limit is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Try to write creative and innovative phrases or sentences or facts so that your bingo looks creative, beautiful. And within 2 minutes 30 seconds, you have to take a snap of it and post it. The snap I will show you in the next slide. In the same manner, you have to post it in the WhatsApp group. And any entries after the time limit will not be accepted. Okay, 4 out of 7 has completed drawing the layout. Too quick. Okay, 5. 6. Can we have, I guess, one more left? Yeah. Are you all ready? Can we have your videos? I can see some of you. Request everyone to start. Switch on their video, sorry. And a timer will be displayed both on the screen and will also be assisted by Prashansa. Okay, just a second. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people with videos, 6. Anyone left? Okay, just let me cross check. Divya, Anushka, Richa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. All are ready. Can we have the demo slide, please? I think there is some technical glitch. Just a second. Shreya, can we have the next slide, demo slide? Yeah. This is the bingo created by me on cricket. Oh yeah, my favorite topic. I have used some phrases, some sentences. You can read them if you're a cricket lover, or else nothing. Just check it. If you have any queries, how to write, what to write, you can ask. Try to make it a phrase or a sentence so that it looks creative. Words are not allowed, like bat, ball, stumps. The words like this are not allowed. You can see here I have written some facts, the current captain, and some phrases. Yeah. So all done. Everyone understood? Drop yes in the chat box, guys. I can see only 6 videos. Who is missing? Let me check. Okay, yes. Yeah. All 7 are ready. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. So can we have the topic slide? Yeah, so the topic for you is climate change and the timer is started.
Yes.
You can start it. Try to avoid words. This should be easy. We started with the same topic. Yeah, back with this.
One minute remaining. Thirty seconds.
Prashansa will give them 2 more minutes. So please
Yeah.
extend the time. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. One minute left. Last.
Guys, will extend the time. Will increase 1 more minute so that you can upload it.
Can I send it now?
If you're done, you can. Sure.
Okay.
Come on, guys, fast.
Okay, 30 seconds left.
Please send it before the time limit. If you are not completed with the bingo, no worries. And drop it in Enviropedia WhatsApp group.
Done. Stop.
Now you can upload it. Guys, please post your bingos. All have completed. Please post yes in a chat box.
30 seconds remaining.
For uploading it. Please upload or your entries will not be accepted. It's okay if you are left with 1 or 2 boxes. No worries.
10 seconds. Done.
Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 of them. Okay, guys, time limit is. Yeah, time is completed. I hope you all have submitted it.
Yes, we have received entries in the WhatsApp.
So, guys, did you enjoyed it?
Yeah, we did.
Yes. Yes, very much.
Yes.
Actually, you guys are really creative and quick. So we have to change our decisions last moment. Great, guys, great. Okay, great efforts, everyone. Love your enthusiasm a lot. This round will be judged by our esteemed student in charge, Galvina ma'am. She'll judge it by evening, so the winners will be announced till evening. So please stay tuned. And now I request Shrishti, Secretary of our CSR committee, to propose the vote of thanks.
Yes, thank you, Rajeshwari. I now take the opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone present here. At the very outset, I thank Dr. Galvina Pereira ma'am for her valuable insights for this event. I also thank all the participants for joining in today on a Sunday and dedicating your time for this small effort of ours to combat pollution. Further, I thank the BCP CSR team for their diligence and tireless efforts, and which is why we could execute everything so wonderfully. I now request everyone to turn on their cameras so we can capture this moment.
Yeah, can you please stop screen sharing? Guys, do follow our social media handles. We are putting it in the chat box. Follow us on Instagram for the winners. Everywhere. Facebook, Twitter. You all can follow. Not only winners, for winners, we also post exciting awareness post so that you can gain some facts, knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Do fill the feedback form. We have posted the feedback link in the chat box. And I think we are done with the snap. Yes. Thank you so much. Anyone would like to say something? Okay, I think everyone is tired. It's a Sunday, I know. Okay, no worries. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks to the audience, lovely audience, and for cheering our participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all also for conducting this.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay, we are
Thank
not.
you everyone for joining with us today. Hope you all had a great time and found the event productive. Hope to see you all again in our future events.
And don't please go and follow our social media handles. Beautiful pages created by our crew members. Yeah. And we'll announce the winners soon in the evening as soon as Galvina ma'am will judge this. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. Welcome, Divya. Hope to see you all in the next event. All the participants.